There we go. Hang on, how... Let me see if I can jump off of my turtle shell.
You're obsessed with this turtle shell now, aren't you?
Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had an apple in my mouth. Alright. So... Right, okay. I just had to make sure I was pressing the right buttons. Jump! Whoa! Didn't even take any damage. Yay.
Hello, friend.
Are you with us, Brandy? Oh, yeah! Whee! I've waited 3 to 5 working days for this.
Oh.
Right. Key card.
Is it the key card? Yes, it is.
Oh, it says
Sahara.
Sahara, which was the same shipping label that we found in the crates.
I'm gonna put the tapes in.
Yeah.
How do we... What? Okay, we doing that now, are we?
I've got Megan's arrival as well.
Why can't you have got a different one then? Oh, you got 2?
Oh, yeah, because you picked up the one by the tent, which we haven't picked up yet. Which is on the way out.
Okay.
Lunch with Megan.
Can you see my screen?
No, I can only see mine.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, is that Timmy? Finished. They've got Timmy.
Who's got Timmy? That's weird. So he was just in a wheelchair from what I saw.
Look like Timmy anyway.
That's uh-oh.
Oh, lag.
Lagged.
Oh, that one's dead. Let me equip the torch, see if there's any more a bit further away.
Money here.
Can't see any down that way. Lots of hanging dead bodies though.
Oh, the thingy suits.
I'm sure I heard humming.
Yeah, I can hear something. It's down this way,
I
whatever
keep
it is.
lagging. It's really annoying.
I just need a drink.
There's loads of severed arms.
Where are you? You don't want that on, what do I want it on instead?
You want armor? Yeah.
Creepy armor, yeah?
Just all your armors.
Oh, the armor's in the way.
Right, I've got all the armors on. Oh my god, I'm creepy.
Okay, so there's 2 ways to go. There's... I can't see a thing. There's this way, but I think that takes you back out.
Right.
Yeah.
Like, just through a different way. And then... down here where it's all boarded up.
Okay. Oh,
Let's go for the boarded up route.
Oh, drawing.
it is so big.
It's a sinkhole. Must mean that we're on the right track. That'll be upstairs, you know, in the real lands. All these fingers. Oh, alive. Oh my god. I'm down.
Oh shit. Okay.
I think they all hit me at once. I'm dead. What?
What?
I'm like fully gone.
Ow!
I think one of you may have accidentally hit me. when I was down.
Can you get back to us?
Yeah, you have to give me a couple minutes though. You'll be on your own for a little while. Fucking bats.
Eat again. What the hell?
Oh my god. There's like 15 of them in front of me and they're all wearing blooming Michael Myers masks. Oh my god. Run, please. I don't want to die. There was so many of them. I couldn't even count. It was literally like a forest of them.
Really?
I think they know that we're getting close to
Gonna make you some bone on.
finishing stuff.
I've,
Oh my god.
How couldn't you have bone on that as well as creepy armor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
God,
Friendly.
drink a soda, getting back my energy. Oh my god, that was terrifying. I think I just walked in on like a congregation of them, like they were having a meeting.
Wow.
The things I've seen. Now I need to find that cave again.
Shall we come to the entrance so you can know where to go, or are you okay?
I think I'm okay. I think I'm near it, but
So much cloth.
I just don't want to run into
No.
that social gathering again.
Social.
No more than 6 people.
That's COVID.
That's a campsite. Okay.
Oh. Oh my god. Okay.
Oh, hang on. I found it. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Sure.
Yeah. Christ. That was the most terrifying thing I've ever done. I think the cannibals are getting considerably harder now. Especially because now they're wearing the Michael Myers masks. Okay. Let me go get my dead body.
Oh, it's Lloyd, he's back.
Oh, my bag.
Where are you go?
Praise the Lord.
Thank goodness.
Oh, I've seen some shit. I've got no armor. Oh, I've got creepy armor. Hang on, I quit.
Have you got PTSD for
I think I might have. Right, I've got 2 creepy armor. There we go. Look at my some legs.
Right, be careful because it's a really tiny platform, so don't come down the rope quick.
Okay, where was the snack bars for Andy? Oh,
But if you go through the water.
Loads of hearts just fell down on me.
Wim, look. Wim.
Some snacks for later, clearly.
Look, the hearts. Can't even pick them up. You look. Hearts are great. Right, are we ready?
Yeah.
Start here. So we've got to come down slowly, yeah? Fucking fell
Yep.
on the last one.
Oh, stay still. Don't move.
What?
Because if you move, you're gonna
Ooh,
fall.
I found the breather.
No, I'm gonna do.
Don't push me.
Woo. Oh god, that was close.
Did you turn?
I did, but I forgot how to do it, and I started falling. But I managed to click on the turtle shell.
Right, where's the old breathy? I'm trying to get your bearings on this game. It's like...
Press the log for the lead weaver.
Oh, God. Hang on, let me just eat something from the pool already.
I get drowning anxiety just being down here.
God, it's still not very clear though, is it? Can't see shit.
No, I can't remember if this would
Oh,
take
Lloyd,
us...
I think we're here. We're here.
Okay. I know that I think if we swim all the way up... I think there's like an exit.
Are we building a fire or anything?
Just put your warm suit on, mate. Oh, yeah. Do that.
What the hell?
I would make any bombs and stuff before we go through them doors because...
Yeah, definitely.
No.
I've maxed out on my bombs. Let me unequip the rebreather now.
I haven't made my. Right, so I need a circuit board,
Circuit board, booze, tape, wristwatch, and
wristwatch.
coins.
Oh, it's open.
And then...
Oh, you put the rocks on it.
And then, once you've made it, equip sap to it to make it a sticky bomb.
Hold on, what am I? I've put boo. Oh mate, I'm missing something. That's really annoying.
So, booze,
Got that.
circuit board,
Got that.
tape,
Got that. It must be
wristwatch,
coins. Yeah, I've got it. It's coins. Yeah. Hanging for any, and then I put.
and then sap.
Equip sap. Equip. And then circuit board. Tape. Booze. Coins.
Whoa.
Go. Coins. Oh, fucking money. Coins.
What happened here?
Have a look. The wristwatch.
It's like they died in like a Armageddon.
That. Tape. Booze. Can't ever fucking get the
What's this?
wristwatch.
I got a Bible. Don't know what it's gonna do for me. Oh, got another Bible.
Okay, I made what I can. Do I keep my rebreather?
Got another Bible. Just collecting Bibles. You can unequip your rebreather.
How do you Oh yeah, R2. Okay.
Beneath the limestone.
Relieve guys. Oh man. Have I missed anything?
Just goods to pick up and lots of Bibles.
There's a picture there.
Oh, and oh yeah, Bibles.
Here.
Picture there, friendly.
Oh, a rusty axe. Oh, sexy picture of the legs.
Yeah. Vagina monster.
Spread those legs.
That's right.
It's always gonna be an uphill mountain. I'm always gonna have to climb some rope. It's a climb. Oh, looks like we got another rebreathing.
Thanks, guys.
I wonder if you could do this without the rebreather.
Give me a just thinking about it.
Oh, we're going up. Going through the butthole.
Great. Oh wow. Oh god, in real life,
Oh.
this is my worst nightmare.
Oh, we're in a pond.
Ooh.
What the hell was that noise? Oh, it's the ducks. Oh,
Oh, here's the entrance.
Got
Oh
it.
my god.
Oh, Lloyd's got it towards his rolling downhill now.
I'm in the cave. There's a load of fucking boys out there.
Guys,
coming.
Lloyd,
coming.
Lloyd.
Michael Myers, he's ran off. Ow, he hit me.
No, Lloyd, there's
Oh,
loads
God.
of them over there.
Oh my god, get in the hole, get in the hole. Get in the cave.
can't find it.
It's right here.
Oh. Oh, lag.
You in? Okay.
Yeah. That was terrifying.
So many bodies.
Get the wristwatches then.
Right, there's a fuck off thing down there. I'm just gonna make some incendiary arrows. And I'm gonna light this bitch.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit.
Krista, you're slipping.
Yep, definitely.
Right, let me get my incendiary.
Are you gonna hit him already while we're up here? I don't think I have any arrows. Oh.
I can't see them now.
It's right underneath.
I got his ankle. Right, now I'll get some dynamite. What's that? Flare. Ah, dynamite, here we go.
Where are the feathers at so I can make some?
You probably haven't got any feathers if you can't see them.
Oh.
Right, they're probably quite weak now. It's just the big guy we can take. It's just the other cannibals that
I'm gonna risk my life for you guys.
I'm going down as well.
Yeah, I'm coming down.
I'm gonna equip the hairspray. Oh my god. Right, hairspray. Equip. Right, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Ow!
Sorry, that was me. Yeah, the hairspray's so good.
Oh,
Yeah, not when you set your fucking colleagues on fire. though.
Colleagues.
I'll just fucking burn alive.
Well, the limbs are cooked, so if you want to chop them up and eat them, or we can just burn them to the bone.
Yeah, I need to eat.
I've already got some dried legs, so.
Oh Christ, that was mad.
Oh, they're not cooked, Lloyd.
Oh, they're not. I thought they get cooked when they're crispy. Oh, cannibal. What the hell is this place?
Isn't this what we were just peekabooing through that hole?
Oh, there's another cannibal. There's babies as well.
Here.
Ow, you son of a bitch.
Got the babies.
Nice. Oh, I can still hear a baby. Oh, I can hear a big boy. Yeah, there's a big boy over here. I'm gonna set it on fire.
Fuck this.
It's hiding, that's why.
Where's the baby?
Oh!
Oh shit.
What? Please. Fucking babies, man.
Shut the hell up, babies. Where's it gone?
Dead, I think.
No, I mean, big boy.
Oh, the big thing, I don't know. Oh, here it comes. Here
He's
it is. It's
been
going
set on
to
fire twice, so he should be pretty weak. Ow. Nice.
Yeah.
Let's get some creepy armor again.
Hope it was worth it.
I love me some creeps. I've got some lizard armor as well, let me all wear all that. Drink and eat as well. I'm gonna make a fire so we can cook some food. I've got some raw meat that I need to.
It has.
There's a modern bow there. I don't know if anyone's got
Oh.
a modern bow.
Modern day.
Got loads of arrows. Fuck my dick.
Oh yeah.
There's the sticks. Nice.
Oh,
Modern bow collected.
love it.
Oh, the modern bow looks so cool.
Yeah, it does.
So I'm going to assign that now to my left. Oh, nice. So they, yeah, you can aim a lot quicker probably, I think, and it probably shoots further or something. What's all this?
Tape labelled side effects collected. I'm gonna watch that in a second.
Oh, oh, and we can blow up this wall here as well.
Yes!
Right, I'm going to watch this tape.
Timmy! Yeah, I'm gonna watch the tape.
You want me to build a fire?
So combine lunch with Megan, watch that, side effects. Pretty sure I'm missing a tape. Oh,
I can't build the fire, guys.
oh no,
Someone just finished.
Timmy!
Oh god, what is happening?
Ah, I'm freezing to death.
Timmy Friendly!
Red tape? Yeah?
Huh?
Red tape?
Tape isn't your boots, mate.
Where's that?
No, it's right at the bottom of the screen.
Pick up.
Oh,
Oh! Yeah, it's literally around here on the floor somewhere.
Again, must have it, for God's sake. I'm doing very good at this. And it's called what, sorry?
Side effects.
I'm missing a tape. I should
I've
have
only
3.
got. I've got 2 and 1 in the camera recorder.
I don't have one called side effects. But yeah, I don't have anything to pick up on the floor.
Here, I wonder if I
Nothing
can give
around
it to
like
you.
here, no?
If someone build a fire on it. Yeah, I can give you mine.
Yeah, no, what the
Please.
hell? Oh,
There you go, you can have
I
mine.
hope you guys have dynamite because I don't.
I do. Let me unequip the rebreather.
then... Oh, what a twat. Where am I looking?
Timmy!
And then I can just...
Oh! What? Get back, get back. He broke through himself. He broke through himself.
Oh,
Oh my god. He's huge. He's bigger than normal. Someone get stuck on it. Ow. Ow, 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 ow.
hit with the bow again.
Same with the boat. It's gotta die soon. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Ow, someone shot me. Is that it? He's dead? He's dead. Nice. Oh, praise the
Bitch!
Lord.
Hope it was worth it!
He
Them bows
took
are
out
so good.
I was trying to watch my...
like 2 bone armor and like 3-4 creepy armor in like a hit. That was ridiculous.
Right, here we go. I'm just watching this
Nice
thing.
drink. Equip. Need to eat as well. Dried leg. Yummy. Oh, there's Danielle. Oh, okay, go up. Let's say there's a climate wall here.
Right, we all good?
I think we're here, friends.
Okay. And Danielle, I'm trying to climb up. Equip.
I'm gonna get my bow out straight away, and I'm gonna have an arrow lit and ready.
Let me unequip my things. It's just going to get in my way. I don't know if the rebreather slows you down.
Whereas I don't know how I'm doing with what I'm doing. How I'm doing.
Any goodies here? Oh, hello. Cannies. Oh, plenty of cannies.
Oh my